The Kilgore Rangerettes are a drill team for Kilgore Junior College in Kilgore, Texas. In the simplest terms, a drill team is a group of dancers who perform dance routines in unison. In Texas, drill teams are immensely popular, and just about every high school and college has a drill team of between 25 and 75 members to perform at sporting events. What makes Kilgore unique is that they were the very first drill team to be established, and even 80 years later, they remained world-renowned. In 1939, the dean of Kilgore College decided he needed to find something to bring more female students to Kilgore, as well as something to keep spectators at football games in their seats during halftime to keep them from going under the bleachers and getting drunk. He recruited Miss Gussie Nell Davis to help him. She put together the very first drill team who hit the football field in 1940 as the first halftime show. Kilgore, Texas is known for two things: oil and the Rangerettes. Today, the team of 71 women travel the world and perform in dozens of different countries. Drill team dancers choose Kilgore Junior College over other universities just for the opportunity to be a part of the Rangerettes. The documentary, directed by Chris Hale, Sweethearts of the Gridiron, reveals a little more about the world's best-known collegiate drill team. The documentary follows the hopefuls, as they're called, and their journeys to tryouts, and gives just a glimpse of the fierce competition these girls face. It also gives some insight into how hard these girls work to get here, and just how badly they want to be a part of this American tradition. They share that it is more than just about the dancing. It is about the poise and grace they will gain, and how being a Rangerette indicates a certain level of regality in Texas. Many former Rangerettes share how impactful their time on the team has been to them, and how their experiences as a Rangerette molded them into the women they are today. The link to the documentary will be in the description below for those interested. On average, about 100 girls try out for the team each year. The typical tryout process for girls is to attend a mini camp for about a week prior to tryouts. They then go on to 3 days of pre-training, in which they learn 2 pieces of different styles. In 2015, the year the documentary was filmed, they learned a jazz combo and a contemporary combo. The hopefuls also learn a high kicks routine and a field kick routine. After learning the combos, they will perform them in small groups in what is called markings. Markings are a time for the directors to watch the girls perform in small groups and take notes on them to see how they progress throughout the week and to get to know each dancer a little better. After learning the combos, they then will perform them in the markings, and after that, they are expected to perform a solo. On day 4, they have the actual tryouts, and day 5 is sign drop, which is when the final decision is revealed. The sign drop is a huge tradition to the Rangerettes, and it's on the 5th day after tryouts when this sign made of plywood that's painted white and made a grid of blue duct tape is dropped from the ceiling, which each of the hopefuls numbers if they have made the team. This is a fairly common costume for a drill team, most of which include a short skirt, white boots, and white hats. Another thing that I found interesting in this documentary was that one of the directors of the 2013 team, Shelley Wayne, noted that as dance becomes more accessible with TV shows like So You Think You Can Dance, and with dance classes being built into high school curriculums, they are seeing better and better dancers coming to try out. It is no longer enough to be on a drill team and be good at that. To have a shot at being a Rangerette, she says, you have to have a background in studio dance as well as drill team. You need to have the technique as well as the experience. In addition to performing at halftime of Kilgore's football games, the Rangerettes also put on an annual dance show called the Rangerette Rebels to showcase their talent. Choreography includes, but is not limited to, jazz, hip-hop, contemporary, and of course the world-famous Rangerette kickline. I'm going to play a little piece of the 2016 Rebels show for you guys to see. Also, something I forgot to mention before playing the video was that the 5 girls that you saw wearing white are the officers of the team, and they are elected by their fellow Rangerettes as well as the coaches. And they are usually sophomores on the team who have shown great leadership skills, and they act as the captain and co-captain of the rest of the team. And here are the sources I used to gather my information, and thank you for watching.